Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining variables and the objective so Solver has clear inputs. Enter variable cells in a single block, name them if helpful. Create the objective cell with a formula that references those variables, because Solver optimizes that exact cell. Next, lay out constraint formulas and their right-hand side values in adjacent rows so you can select ranges easily. Once done, make sure your model uses linear formulas, sums and constants, not nonlinear functions. This keeps Solver. Now open Solver from the Data tab and point it to the objective cell. Choose Maximize, Minimize, or Target value as needed. Select the decision variable range so Solver knows what to change. Then choose the simplex LP solving method because it's efficient for linear programming. Add constraints one by one, selecting the left-hand formula cell, the relation sign, and the RHS value or cell. Once you've defined all constraints, review them carefully, because missing or reverse signs cause infeasible results. Press Solve and let Excel run the simplex LP. When it finishes, choose to keep Solver's solution so you can inspect numbers. You want to verify variable values, plus interpret slack and reduced costs to understand trade-offs and binding constraints. If outcomes look wrong, troubleshoot. Check for sign mistakes in constraints, tight bounds on variables, or duplicate constraints causing infeasibility. Finally, rerun after corrections. Make small, isolated changes so you can trace which adjustment fixed the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.